Hej, navnet mitt är jag och välkommen å kanalen min. Today I will be talking about the orthographical organic O in the Fólksmál language, how to pronounce it and why it exists in etymological Fólksmál. First off, how is the organic O pronounced? Well, the organic O is pronounced as this IPA symbol, which is pronounced as O in the same way that the ringed A or the acute accent A in Fólksmál is pronounced. So you may ask, well, if it's pronounced the same as the ringed A, why does it exist at all? Why wouldn't you just write the ringed A in the position of this organic O? Well, to answer that, we have to go back to the year 1100, when the Old Norse language was still spoken and starting to see its major splits. So this language, this Old Norse language that would become the modern North Germanic varieties, such as Swedish, Elfdalian, Faroese, Icelandic, Norwegian, Danish, etc., etc., had this organic O vowel, orthographically at least, is how we transcribe it today. And this vowel represented something slightly more open than the modern ringed A in Swedish, Norwegian, Danish. This vowel quality was something like this. Or, there you go. This or vowel went through some changes between East Norse and West Norse varieties. It actually diverged quite significantly between different Scandinavian varieties. So in the West, it became something more fronted, like Ö in Icelandic, and in the East, it remained something further back, and in some positions does just become or. However, in other positions, I'll get to this later, it becomes a. So I'm going to show you a table here. This table is all of the Fólksmál words next to all of the Old Norse words and the descendants of the Old Norse words in the modern Scandinavian languages. So something of note with this table is I've only listed standard languages on this table. This does not represent the dialectual differences that you'll find in Scandinavia. Norwegians will be very familiar with this, with these, set of words having this vowel pronounced differently all throughout their country.
While I was out there recording, I didn't realize that towards the end of the video, my recording has actually switched off. So I'm going to continue the rest of the video from my flat here. So as you can see from these examples, the organic O vowel descends quite differently in different positions across the North Germanic varieties. And that's why in Fólksmál this letter is very useful, because it descends differently into all of the modern Scandinavian varieties, North Germanic varieties. I hope that this explanation has been somewhat useful to anyone wondering why we have an organic O in the Fólksmál language. And I guess fra huset mitt, tusen tack.